Vidjam now natively integrates Elgato's popular Streamdeck controllers, including the standard, mini, XL, and mobile versions. Users that don't own Streamdeck hardware can use the mobile version to remotely control Vidjam with any mobile device or tablet that's on the same Wi-Fi network. Installation is automatic and easy to set up. Simply make sure the Streamdeck app is running in the background before you run the latest version of Vidjam. Vidjam will automatically install its Streamdeck plugin. Hit yes when the Streamdeck app prompts you to install the new Vidjam profiles. This only has to be done once. After that, Vidjam will automatically launch the Streamdeck app if it isn't running. All mappable UI buttons, tag groups, and videos in the video grid layer can be assigned to a Streamdeck from within Vidjam without having to use the Streamdeck app. The process is the same as it is for mapping buttons to your PC keyboard or MIDI controller. Simply enter the mapping edit mode, click on the button in Vidjam to select it, and then push the Streamdeck button you want to assign it to. Images for standard buttons and tag groups are sent to the Streamdeck during the mapping process. Entire video grids can have all their videos auto-assigned to a Streamdeck by clicking on the Send to Streamdeck button. Previews of each video are auto-generated and sent to the Streamdeck along with their assignment. Mapped buttons can be removed by entering mapping mode, holding down the button you want to remove on the Streamdeck, and pushing the delete key. Assigned buttons can be moved around on the Streamdeck by entering mapping mode and then pushing down on the two buttons to swap their positions. Vidjam supports the use of multiple Streamdeck pages. Navigate to different pages using the next and previous page buttons in Vidjam's UI, or skip directly to any page by clicking on its page number and preferences. Images and videos are cached once they've been generated the first time. Swapping through pages, editing buttons, or loading videos is instantaneous once cached. Use the Generate All Images button in Preferences to cache all images and video previews for your entire media library. This provides quicker on-the-fly mapping of video grids during your session.